As you design modern identity solutions, it's important to understand the differences between Microsoft Entra ID and Active Directory Domain Services, ADDS. Both are critical to managing identities and access, but they're built for different environments and workloads. In this lecture, you'll learn how they compare in purpose, capabilities, and use cases, so you can make informed decisions for both cloud-native and hybrid infrastructures. Let's walk through the comparison for both. If you're working with ADDS, you're managing everything on premises, local servers, local domain controllers, and a network-bound infrastructure. With Entra ID, you're embracing a cloud-first model. Everything is built to run in Azure and integrate with Microsoft cloud services like Microsoft 365 and thousands of SaaS apps. In ADDS, you rely on Kerberos, NTLM, and LDAP. These are traditional protocols meant for internal enterprise networks. With Entra ID, you get modern authentication protocols like OAuth 2.0, OpenID Connect, and SAML, designed for secure access across cloud and web-based applications. If you're using ADDS, devices are typically domain-joined PCs within your corporate network, which you manage through group policies. With Entra ID, devices are Intune enrolled or registered, allowing you to manage them from the cloud using modern tools like Microsoft Intune and apply compliance policies across mobile and remote endpoints. ADDS works well for legacy applications hosted on premises. These might include file servers, internal web apps, or line-of-business apps that depend on legacy authentication. With Entra ID, you're integrating with Microsoft 365 and a broad ecosystem of SaaS applications, enabling users to sign in once and access everything from Outlook to Salesforce. In ADDS, you get full group policy support. This means you can push registry settings, software installations, and configuration policies across all domain-joined machines. Entra ID does not support group policy, but you can achieve similar functionality using Microsoft Intune and Mobile Device Management, MDM profiles, especially in a cloud-first environment. ADDS doesn't natively offer multi-factor authentication or conditional access. You'd need third-party tools or extra infrastructure to make that happen. With Entra ID, you can turn on MFA and conditional access policies right out of the box to enforce extra verification steps, restrict access by device or location, and automate risk-based controls. ADDS offers limited support for federation or external collaboration, and it typically requires extra configuration using tools like ADFS. Entra ID provides built-in support for B2B collaboration, so you can easily invite guest users from other organizations and manage their access securely without creating local accounts. You won't find any native cloud identity protection in ADDS. It simply wasn't built for that kind of environment. Entra ID, on the other hand, gives you cloud-based identity protection features, which is available in P2 license, that detect risky sign-ins, compromised accounts, and automate policy responses to reduce exposure. To wrap up, now that you've seen the side-by-side comparison, you can better decide which identity solution fits your environment. Use ADDS when you're working with legacy, on-premises systems. Use Microsoft Entra ID when you're managing cloud apps, mobile users, and want modern access control features. And if you're in a hybrid state, you can use both, strategically and securely.